The workshop by NIVEA Men, and we are back.
Oh yes,
Mr. Chaps.
It's good to be here.
Caddy. I know, Mr. Chaps, you've got some tips for us.
Yeah.
Okay, but tell us what the most important thing is for grooming for clear skin.
Look, it's very clear that for the modern man, it's beyond just soap. For you to get a clear skin, you really need a good face wash. Beyond anything else.
And you know, a good grooming routine doesn't have to be anything too complicated.
It doesn't have to. So in the morning when you wake up, you're taking a shower, use the face wash, you know, go through your day. Obviously, it's a long day for most of us.
Yep.
The end of the day, also then use the face wash.
Yeah, and so that's just good for just clearing up the skin, right? Clearing up the dirt that you accumulate throughout the course of the day.
That's right.
Another thing that guys tend to think is that a grooming routine needs to be time consuming.
Definitely not.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. Washing your face is literally a quick face wash. Often in the shower. Some of these products you've got 2-in-1.
Yeah.
You know? So it's not a long thing.
Sure.
Develop a good routine, then you're in for some clear skin.
So I use the new NIVEA Men's Rapid Pimple Clear Face Wash.
Yeah.
Gets rid of your pimples in 7 days, leaving your skin fresh and healthy. And for a person like me who's always out, it's definitely a confidence booster.
Amazing, dude. And it's that 99% anti-germ formula that does it for me personally.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, just clean skin instantly.
Yeah, all the time.
That's cool. Caddy, let me touch on you for a second, dude.
Yeah.
You have an incredible sense of style.
Thank you.
Okay, and what's your inspiration? What is in right now, but where are you getting that inspiration from?
I get my inspiration from the internet because that's where I collaborate or get to know what other designers around the world are doing and what's in right now.
Yeah.
And what's in right now is pastel colors.
Now, transitioning though, pastel you can't do all year round now, can you, Caddy?
No, you can't.
You need the classic look going into the colder months.
Now we're talking. You know? Now we're talking.
What is the classic look?
I'm really just about the classic look is the blues, the black, a clean, crisp white shirt,
Yep.
and grey. You know, looking at what you're wearing right now.
That's right.
Then you've got a good wardrobe. You can always mix and match.
Sure.
But I'm really about that simple, clean, classic look.
Let me tie a bow on it quick. You've washed your face.
Yep.
You got clean skin. You've moisturized. You're going outdoors. What's the last tip here you have for the guys?
Look, believe it or not, and I mean a lot of guys out there don't really do this. A good sunscreen.
Wow.
Yes.
You know, you need to apply that sunscreen
Yeah.
on. You know, it really just helps in protecting your skin. Yeah, it's one thing to put on a good moisturizer and to wash with a good face wash, but if you don't end it off properly with the sunscreen, you're pretty much doing nothing.